Myself Rishabh from GST Street. Today we have Rashmi Kedia, founder of GST Impact. As you know, the country is going to implement GST, the biggest reform in our country, from 1st July, and there is a lot of confusion. तो आज हम बात करेंगे रश्मि केडिया से, जो कि जीएसटी इम्पैक्ट की फाउंडर हैं और पिछले 2 सालों से जीएसटी इम्पैक्ट प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर काम कर रही हैं। और आज चूँकि हमने मॉर्निंग में देखा, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स हैज़ रिटन अबाउट जीएसटी इम्पैक्ट, how GST impact is going to help the small traders and also medium and large e-commerce sellers. रश्मि, आप ये बताएं कि आपको ये GST impact tool बनाने का आइडिया कैसे आया?
So first of all, thank you, Rishabh, for giving me this opportunity to talk on this portal. As you rightly said, GST is going to be a biggest tax reform in India, and we being an indirect tax firm with the tax professionals with numerous years of experience, what we wanted to do was to benefit the entire nation. तो जैसा कि हम हर रोज़ ये गवर्नमेंट का भी मोटो सुनते हैं, GST is going to be like one nation and one tax. So as a firm, we wanted to do something which could benefit the mass.
When everybody is concerned about GST, and typically the professionals, chartered accountant and sales tax practitioners,
Right.
who really don't know how GST will unfold, because it will almost amalgamate 75 different indirect taxes into one.
Right.
So there is a huge learning gap and huge skill deficit. How GST impact will help the professional fraternity?
As you rightly said, Rishabh, so what we think, like in India, there are numerous indirect taxes as of today if we talk about. So आज की डेट में भी अगर हम देखेंगे, so we have more than 75 indirect tax laws at the state level and the center level. And if we see the spread of tax practitioners throughout the country, most of the people, they practice in direct tax सेगमेंट, और जितने भी इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स में जो भी टैक्स प्रैक्टिशनर्स वर्क करते हैं, सो दे आर स्पेशलाइज्ड ईदर इन सर्विस टैक्स और एनी स्टेट स्पेसिफिक लॉज. So if they use GST impact tool, they will get a comprehensive understanding of all the laws in one place, so they can better cater their clients in that way.
आपने जीएसटी इम्पैक्ट टूल जो आपने इतनी मेहनत से बनाया, और उसमें यू हैव कवर्ड ऑल द इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस इन द कंट्री, इंक्लूडिंग द स्टेट एंड लोकल टैक्सेस लाइक एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स, लग्जरी टैक्स एंड एंट्री टैक्स एंड ऑल. Now you tell me why you kept this GST impact basic analysis free. What was your thought behind it? And do you want to give this free to the small traders who can't afford or who just actually need some kind of a hand holding?
Right, Rishabh. So as we said कि जो हमारा मोटो था इस टूल को डेवलप करने का, that was to benefit the entire nation. So what we thought, we created free tools for traders, manufacturers and service providers, so which primarily can cater to small businesses. So what they can do, they can simply come to our portal called www.gstimpact.com. They can simply log in, use these tools after filling the purchase and sales details simply, and get the real-time results. So they don't have to pay anything. So that's how the majority of the segment, who are small traders or manufacturers here in India, they can get the GST impact analysis done.
And we believe that you have covered almost 8 verticals like manufacturer, trader, e-commerce, hoteliers, restaurant owners.
Right.
So just tell me something more about the e-com sellers. And first of all, thank you for accepting GST Street invite to come on live on Friday 4 p.m. wherein you are going to address to the e-com sellers that how they can do their GST impact analysis. So e-commerce sellers are really struggling with 2 things. One is the tax collection at source, how it will going to unfold, and what actionables they should do right now. So what is your thought on e-commerce?
As we all know that e-commerce has really picked up the speed these days in India, and most of the e-com sellers are there in the 2-tier or 3-tier cities, right, where they do not get any tax expertise. So basically with upcoming GST, there are certain provisions which are specifically for the e-commerce sellers who are dealing through the online portal. So there is a fear amongst those sellers in terms of how to prepare for the GST, how to deal with the TCS provisions, and how to do the compliance.
So your impact tool, the comprehensive report, will help them to understand that what all they are supposed to do and what all compliance formats, timelines, and all those things you will. And as the law will evolve, your tool will also evolve, right?
Yeah, that's right, Rishabh. So our tool will tell them in detail and through practical measures in terms of what all compliances they need to do. We provide them with all of the relevant formats wherein they do need to file their tax returns or the TCS returns. And the best part is, so we provide the impact study basis the law which is there as on today, and we also provide them free updation as and when the law evolves.
Very good. I think GST Impact is doing a great job in terms of providing free tool to the small seller and a very comprehensive report to the medium and large one. And it is also helping the professional to do the impact analysis. And now we come to the question that how GST Impact is planning to scale up. So Rashmi, as a founder of GST Impact, have you thought about scaling up? Like today there are a lot of ASPs and GSPs in the market, and none of them are providing any automation tool for GST Impact study.
Right.
And you might be getting a lot of inquiries from these ASPs and GSPs. So what is your thought about it? Would you be ready to bundle your product with their product so that it completes the experience to the user?
Yeah, very much, Rishabh. So basically, we want everybody to take benefit out of it. So we are very much ready to partner with all the GSPs, ASPs who are anyway offering their own product to the mass, so that they can bundle our product along with their product, so that it reach out to the maximum number of users.
तो जैसा कि आपने सुना GST स्ट्रीट पे लाइव रश्मि केडिया with us, founder GST Impact. Impact tool is helping hundreds of people every day who are doing the free basic analysis tool and advanced tool as per their requirement. It is fully customized as per the need of the company or your client. Now in terms of scalability, they are ready to work with any ASP or GSP who want to offer the best experience to their users and also get the mind share in the market. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you for joining GST Street, and we would like our users, our participants would love to hear more from you from e-commerce perspective on Friday. Friday 4 p.m. live. We have founders of GST Impact, Ankur and Rashmi. And if you want to buy this product, go to www.gstimpact.com. And there is a special offer from Tax Sutra, the leading tax portal in the country. 15% discount you can get. That code is Tax Sutra 15. Go to GST Impact, get ready, get yourself ready for GST. Thank you. Jai Hind.